This is ToughBuilt's innovative new scraper utility knife. It has a patented mechanism that transforms it from a utility knife to a scraper with a press of your thumb. In scraper mode, you can remove paint, putty, labels, and adhesive from windows, mirrors, tile, and much more. In knife mode, you can cut carpet, cardboard, plastic, vinyl, and rope with ease and precision. The scraper utility knife uses our ToughBuilt blades. Replacement is easy. Push a single button and you're done. The rugged, non-slip rubber handle is strong, durable, and easy to hold. We gave it a finger guard ridge right here for cutting safety. It's even got an integrated paint can opener and a handy lanyard opening at the bottom for easy tethering. There's never been a tool like this. Try it and you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. This is the ToughBuilt Scraper Utility Knife. It's not just a scraper. It's not just a knife. It's ToughBuilt.